next to the NID exam center, Bangalore. Our expert all across the India and all the NID different exam center visited. So we come up with a few things which is really very important for you in this time, because we met the parents, the students. We realized the plan B, we all are thinking about what to do. So NID the option, along with the NID what else plan B we should keep, or you need a mentorship to opt the best career in NID also, what department, what next. So anything which you are planning for it in NID, ITUC, NIFC, or any information further, make sure you contact us. There are a lot of things, lot of content from NID exam center, parents review, students review, a lot of things gonna come in this video further. You can keep watching, stay connected us, follow us on Instagram and YouTube, get a lot of information from the team, and we are keep working from you. So thank you so much, and all the best, all the NID aspirants for 21-18. Thank you. Hi, this is Krishnanand Singh from Ignite India.
Yeah.
How was your NID paper?
Yeah, it was kind of easy, like kind of tough too. I'm Shriya and I'm coming from Hosur. My school is Maharishi Vidya Mandir, and I've done the paper pretty confident, but then I was unable to manage time. Hope it will be colorful enough, and then I'll get good marks.
Yeah, I heard this time it is 6 questions, right,
Yeah.
Shreya? Yeah, so 6 questions. Normally 3 to 5 questions come in the exam, 3 to 4, and this is 6 questions. So, what was your approach while solving the paper?
I just thought of whatever I was confident with, and then I started up with that thing. I was trying to complete the whole paper, and I was pretty confident about completing it.
I know you will have a good result, Shreya.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank
Take
you, sir.
care.
Was good. 30 minutes that was for objective, and
Okay.
2 hours for specific domain questions. It was different from last year. I gave it last year, but it was different from last year. There was the question was very different from the domain.
Okay.
Okay, and we have to be very quick in the objective. We have to be very quick to do the questions.
Okay. And how was your CAT exam, the drawing part?
Drawing part was good. I had interaction design, but the question was from product design. It was you have to make a product. You have to draw the products, and you have to explain it. And one question we have to make a product poster. We had to make
Okay.
of Fit India. During the pandemic, we have to stay fit. About that, we have to make,
Okay.
and we have to write the content for that.
Write up something. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I hope it was good.
yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Compared to previous year, it was kind of tough, but yeah, it was not that tough. And the CDAT exam was kind of compared to previous, it was easier. So how was your CAT part? The drawing something? The drawing part was, compared to previous year, I appeared for the second time. Compared to previous, it was a lot more. Last year there was only one question in game design for drawing. This time every question was a drawing and a writing question and a mixture of both things. So yeah, it was kind of tough, but okay. I hope and wish you will get better result. And what about?
Yeah, this is my first time appearing for this exam.
Okay, your first time.
Yeah, it was fine. Yeah, I think it went pretty well. There was a lot more drawing questions than I expected. It was fine.
Yeah. Thank you. How was your exam? How was the paper?
It was okay. It was the written part was quite easy. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Anything else?
And the creative ability test was a little I would say it's difficult, but if you practice, you can do well. So yeah.
Okay.
That's
So basically, it depends upon how much practice we are doing.
It depends upon how aware you are of your surroundings and how much knowledge you have of design college and what you want to do after your masters.
Yeah.
So it is a lot about perspective and your clearance. If you are clear of what you want to do, you will eventually find your way out, and it's not rocket science. So
Yeah. I think.
Hi. So how was your NID exam?
NIT, it went good. Like the drawing part, there were 6 questions. So that actually took time to do it because each one of it was in a different way. We had to take time to think it. Like the first question it was a composition.
Yeah.
It was like you're attending an online class and your sibling was trying to annoy you, so you had to visualize that and do. And the second one was a conversation again. So it was a tic-tac then game. Then you had to make conversation in 6 boxes, like till the end of the game. And the third one was again, it was a story. Like they had given a ball in a desert case and you had to make up a story without including other elements. You only had to use the elements that they had given. And the next was poster, which is bullying. And that was the tough part because bullying was the most general question that anyone could think of. So basically, most people could give out the common answer. So to make it look like outstanding, like the out of box, so that actually took time to think. Whether you had to give a problem or a solution. And the last one was teenaging. In one poster, you had to process of making a face. So 6 questions, it took time. You could have done it, but the coloring part, I could not complete it. And to this part, there was no math, so it was easy. I didn't feel it was hard. It was good. Yeah. Like, first, questions are interesting. But I enjoyed the questions. That's why I remember each one of it.
But you had to make them interesting. So that is what the problem.
That was the problem.
I wish you all the best today.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. My name is Dale. I'm from Mangalore. I've been preparing for this exam since 3-4 months doing Night India, and the exam was fine. It was okay. Time I could able to manage. Neatness I couldn't manage. Then the objective type was easy. Like everything was not that tough. Drawing was little okay, fine. It was easy topic, but couldn't manage like that.
Well, so drawing this year, they have given the so many questions, so that
Yeah.
was the problem, right?
Yeah.
Overall, it was good, right?
Yeah, it was
Your paper went well.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah? All the best, sir. on your result.
Thank you.
Take care.
My name is Vaishak Binu. So I had opted for product design and transportation design. So the product design papers were a little more, I would say, the current COVID scenario. So there were lots of questions based on that. So there were questions about COVID testing kits and like storage units and all like that. And then when it came to the transportation part, there was one I thought it was just about drawing, but you had to identify the car model and which company that car is, and then draw the perspectives of that car. And then there was something related to the Vande Bharat Express, like we had to do a decal work on that. And that's it. Overall, it was a nice paper. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Prasad, I'm here to take the NID entrance exam. Ask any questions?
Yeah, how was the paper? What was your expectations?
Yeah, the paper was a combination of both GK and discipline-specific test of creativity. The GK questions was easier, I felt, but I couldn't answer some of them although. The creative questions were also very interesting and it was also tightly about on the time.
I'm Nitish from Chennai Audi. The question paper was pretty moderate, but for me the toughest section is 40, where I should read the paragraphs and answer the questions. That's like kind of the time consuming and tiresome. And the animation design is full of like essays, not like that I practiced. So that was pretty much. But in transportation it was pretty much easy. We just predicted Kia Seltos is a popular car, it will come. It just came. So overall it's pretty moderate paper. I think cutoff might be higher than last.
Okay. So, is there any different sections that you found it difficult this time?
Yeah, in transportation design there is a thing called render the graphics for train, like the questions were like that. So I just found it difficult because I just practiced drawing cars all years. So I just difficult.
Okay, all the best for your career. Thank you.
क्या है Yeah, I started. Very good morning. I'm so glad to see you and here. So my name is Krishna sir. We are from Ignite India. So pre-exam, I just want the parents' feedback and your remark. What you see exam center and your morning, so many kids were standing here. So being a parent, I would like to know a bit of your introduction and about NID. What do you think about NID?
I am Govind Raj.
Yeah,
Coming from Tamil Nadu, Tirupur district.
Oh, Tirupur.
Udumalpet.
Yeah.
My city name is Udumalpet.
Yes.
My daughter Sadhurya. And I attend the entrance exam today.
Okay.
NID.
Okay.
My daughter study UG course Krishnamal College, Coimbatore.
Oh, great.
Costume design and fashion.
Oh, she's doing a fashion design.
Fashion design. Also today I attend the PG course.
Yes.
PG course. Sadhurya வந்து நல்ல கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி உள்ள ஒரு பொண்ணு. அவ வந்து எல்லோரும் மாதிரி டாக்டர்ஸ், இன்ஜினியர்ஸ், லாயர்ஸ் எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு காமன் திங்கிங் தான் இருந்துட்டு இருக்கு. மை டாட்டர் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங்க், கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி டிஃப்ரெண்ட், ஒரு வித்தியாசமான துறையில கால் பதிச்சு நல்ல மேல வரணும் அப்படிங்கறதுக்காக இந்த இதைய வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணேன். அதுல யூஜில வந்து ரொம்ப ரிஸ்க் எடுத்து பண்ணேன். நிறைய வந்து பேஷன் ஷோஸ் எல்லாம் நடக்கும்.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Krishnan Singh from Ignite India. So, I would like to take your view about the NID because we are at NID exam centers. So, what do you think about NID, then design as a career in India and all across? And your what is writing the exam? So, obviously, why you want her to become a designer?
Krishna, frankly, I think NID is one of the oldest schools.
Yes.
I've been hearing about NID since 74, 75.
Yes.
It's one of the older schools. It's well established. It is well structured programs that they have, which focuses on foundation and process, where the kids get a good foundation.
Correct.
See, it doesn't matter which field you really are in, but it's the process and the foundation which gets you to it.
True.
Is what I found myself as a designer.
Yeah.
The reason I would say it should go for an NID or any other course for that matter is because that is your passion, not
Correct.
just because there is a job for
Yes.
that particular thing. If you are passionate about design or any specific kind of a thing, go for it, explore, because it's not always just a job, but it's the passion and the satisfaction that you get from doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
What's important.
Yeah. That's true. And being a designer, what you see India is going in design towards which side,
Right now, it is going, I would say it's just exploring kind of.
Exploring, true, that's true.
Because I remember when I wanted to go into design, I had a choice of graphics, painting, sculpture, and maybe applied arts or commercial art as it is called.
Yeah.
And that's it. And now you have a gamut of fields which you can specialize in design itself.
Yes.
That itself is, to me, is mind-boggling because
True.
and design again is a process, a learning process, and you learn every day. It's not something that you learn in college and it's
Yeah.
done. Yes, you get the foundation which helps you through.
Yes.
But it's a process which you have to learn through every day. And,
True. Thank you for your valuable, remark about an ID. It will really helpful for student and
I
parents.
hope so. Parents give kids a chance, especially if they're passionate.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So that's it from NID BDAS Exam Center, Bangalore. Thank you, everyone. So, it's early morning view of the exam center. The exam is going to start in a while.
Hi, hello all. I'm Raj. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer by graduation, but unfortunately, I have switched into IT, and I've been there and rotten myself. Luckily, the new generation are opting into new courses like NIF and NID and other design-related courses, which is my passion, which I have wished for the last few decades. So this seems to be a better opportunity and platform for the younger generation, which can elevate them to the different aspects. Unlike the regular fixed MBBS and engineering, this really provides a better platform so that it gives opportunities to their creativity. And with the current latest change in the modern world, every product demands a change in the design to capture the customer's eagerness. So that is the crux. So with the rapid changing, these courses definitely will help the younger folks to carve out their career and help the society in terms. Thank you.
Do comment below so that we can help you out with your questions. Whatever question you will ask, we'll give you the answer. So